Hello and welcome to App Screencast. Just a quick video for you. What's in my dock? So here goes. We've got Finder. Then we've got Safari, which is my choice of web browser. It's actually Safari 4 beta. If you're using Safari 3, I recommend you upgrade to Safari 4 because I haven't found any problems with it. It's really stable. It's got a few extra features over Safari 3, so it's worth checking out. Also got Mail, which I always have opened. I prefer it than using the web to view my mail. Got iCal, which is really good, really useful to keep track of all your appointments. It also syncs up with the iPhone or the iPod Touch. Also, when the application is not even opened, it will still alert you if you've got an appointment. So really useful. Address Book. It's another useful application I use a lot. Keep track of all my contacts, keep all my contacts backed up onto my computer, and if I ever lose my phone, at least I've got a backup. Also, it syncs as well with the iPhone, so really useful. Dictionary, I'll just open this. Got obviously the dictionary, but it's also got Thesaurus and also Wikipedia. Really useful. I use that quite a bit. Adium is an instant message client. It allows you to instant message people on Live, Windows Messenger, AOL, Yahoo, Google, Facebook, MySpace, so it's really useful. Only thing it lacks is video chat, which is a little bit of a disappointment, but apart from that it's really good. iTunes, we all know what that is. VLC, it's a video player. Really good because it plays just about any video file you'll come across. It also can play audio files. It's really lightweight, really fast to open. But I do prefer it than QuickTime. I'm not a big fan of QuickTime, so I would definitely recommend VLC to everyone. Plex, well, that's a media center. It's a lot like Front Row, but it can play a lot more video files than what Front Row can. It's got a really nice looking interface. If you've ever used Boxy or if you've seen Boxy, it's very similar. I might do a video on this a bit later, show it more detail. But yeah, I recommend Plex. iPhoto, which comes on all new Macs. It's a great way to organise your photos and view your photos. Got iMovie, which is a really good video editing software. It's not as advanced as some other video editing applications, but it still has a lot of good features. For my needs, it's really good. It covers everything I need it to. If I want to do it a bit more advanced, then I might use Final Cut or maybe an Adobe product. But I think iMovie, for most people, it's going to do the job. Then we've got Pages, which is Apple's word processor, part of the iWork suite. I do prefer it than Microsoft Office. Not quite as advanced as Microsoft Office. I definitely recommend iWork to most people. I think it does the job pretty well. And then we've got Photoshop, which is image editor. Really advanced. Program takes a bit of time to get used to because it is a very advanced piece of software. If you're into it, a lot of image editing and that, Photoshop is the best program for that job. If you just want to do some simple edits to maybe some holiday snaps or something, then there's probably easier, cheaper applications out there that will do the job. But if you want to get into a bit more advanced stuff, then definitely Photoshop is the place to go, really. Then we've got Toast Titanium, which covers all your DVD and CD burning needs. It allows you to make audio CDs, MP3 CDs, data discs. Also, you can make DVDs to play in the DVD player. Only thing is, I don't find the video encoder very good. It's not as good as some other applications. The quality is not quite as good as you would hope for. But I gotta recommend Toast Titanium though to everyone because it does a lot of things when it comes to CD and DVDs. A lot of different discs you can make, so I do recommend it. Then we've got VideoMonkey, which is a video converter which will convert most video types to play on the iPhone or the iPod or on Apple TV. I've done a video on it actually, if you check my channel out. It goes into it in a bit more detail, but I do recommend that. It's a free application as well. Transmission, which is a BitTorrent client. It's a really simple application, there's not much to it, it just does the job, it downloads torrents for you. I've actually done a video on this as well, if you check my channel. Then I've got Screenflow, which is what I'm using now to record the screen. I recommend it actually, it's a really good application if you want to record your screen. It's also, once you've recorded your video, it's got some really good effects and that what you can add to the video, so worth checking out. And we've got VMware Fusion, which allows you to run Windows XP or Vista or even Windows 7. You can run it within your Mac OS X operating system. Instead of like rebooting, like using Boot Camp and rebooting every time you want to switch operating systems, you can actually run both operating systems side by side. Also, you can run Ubuntu or any other Linux OS, so that's worth checking out. We've got system preferences, got an application folder, download folder, and then I've got the trash. So that's my dock really. I'm probably going to do a video in a bit later on about my actual other applications, what I've got. But I just thought I'd get the dock video done first. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See ya.